was having a discussion with somebody who was not, I don't know, I think they are a flat earther, but he couldn't really figure out what he thinks about stuff. And so I countered, have you ever been on a plane? Because the higher you go, the further you can see. Okay, so let's look into more how we want to record our scenery here so that we can do a professional mapping situation. So let's say that I'm parked somewhere along here where this hiking guy is, and I'm going to lift off from here. So as you lift off, you're only going to be able to see, so much of your surroundings. But as you get higher and higher, you're going to be able to see more and more. But usually you don't actually see more until you start getting a turn going. So make sure you wait till you get up to your desired height to get your actual recording started, or at least edit it from there, and then you can start recording, and you'll get further and further of a horizon the higher you are. And then this is key to how this works. So here we are. I'm 400 feet, and because that's the FAA limit to drones, and you'll see my altitude is basically stuck at 1,000 feet, so don't worry about it. I know I'm at 400 feet, and notice how smoothly I'm spinning around the geometry. This is how it works. But that's all, folks.